These are the things we need to jumpstart our motorcycle battery from our car battery. First, we need the screwdriver. We'll be using this to unlock the battery box or the battery case from the footboard, and also to disengage the battery terminals from the battery. Next is the battery jumper cable. We'll use the other end to connect our car battery, and the other end of the jumper cable to connect to the main frame of our motorcycle and to the motorcycle battery. Now, let's jump start our motorcycle battery from our car battery. Our fix-it for today is how to jump start your motorcycle from a car battery. Because of the huge difference between the size of the battery of your motorcycle and your car, we have to make extra precaution in order not to damage your motorcycle battery. First step is to open your battery located at the footboard of your scooter. For this, you will just need a Phillips screw. Then we have to disengage the battery case cover. As soon as we have opened our battery, we will now move our motorcycle as close as possible to the car. So be sure that your motorcycle is close enough to your car so that the jumper wire can easily reach both batteries. As a precaution, be sure that your car engine is turned off while you are doing this. Next step is to open the engine hood. We will now then take our jumper cables. This is the most important part in jump starting your motorcycle battery. First, we have to connect the red battery clip or the positive battery clip to the positive terminal of your battery. Let us now connect the jumper cables on our motorcycle. So now that our motorcycle is running, it's now time to return our battery case covers.